What's up, Urban Eden family? Thank you to all of the guys who have just been supporting our brand from for ages, for years. And then we also have a lot of new people. So we have a lot of new people just coming along to Urban Eden using our hyperpigmentation kit. We do have several kits. We have the hyperpigmentation kit, we have the dry skin kit, sensitive skin kit, and we also have the acne skin kit. I do want to preface this by saying it is so important that you know your skin type. You need to know if you have oily skin, if you're dealing with acne, if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation. If you have sensitive skin, then you should get that skin kit type for your skin. Hyperpigmentation is going to be solely if you're dealing with like oily skin and if you have hyperpigmentation and some acne. But we also have the acne kit, which is more suited for that skin type. The hyperpigmentation kit is going to help to even out the complexion. But I do want you guys to be mindful that we use tea tree in these products, which tea tree can be a little strong for those who have sensitive skin sometimes. So it's just important to know your skin type and to get your skin kit based off of your skin type. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the hyperpigmentation kit because it is the most popular skin kit that we have. And I just want to talk about how to use it because I've been watching some of you guys' videos and I just want to make sure that everybody's using it properly. So first of all, when you open up the box, you'll see all of the products included in here. The face wash, the toner, the serum. It also comes with our turmeric powder and a cecil cloth. When you open up the box, it says get even, and then also it just talks about hyperpigmentation a little bit and gives you the 3-step program, which is just the general program with all skin kit types that we offer, which is cleanse, tone, and moisturize. And then with that face mask, you're gonna use that to your own skin's discretion. So you can use it once a week if you have like very sensitive skin, or you can use it every other day if your skin can deal with it. When it comes to the hyperpigmentation kit comes with the turmeric powder face mask. And the turmeric powder, it can be a little staining, not a little, it could be a lot of staining. Turmeric powder, if you guys use like our turmeric bar soap or you see like our turmeric face wash, that is truly what gives these products that color. So it is a strong color pigment in general. So just be mindful of that if you have lighter skin, that it can be a little bit more staining than if you have skin that's my skin color or even a little bit darker. It's not going to be like as staining. So yes, just be mindful of that. So far I have a turmeric mask mixed up, and I wanted to show you guys how to use this. I added a little bit of honey to mine. You can add a little bit of honey, some lemon juice if your skin can handle it. And the honey and the lemon juice can just help to further brighten the complexion as the turmeric powder just does naturally. And turmeric powder is anti-inflammatory too, so if you're dealing with like red spots or dark spots, then the turmeric powder can help with that. So I just made enough to have like a little paste that you could put onto your face. And whenever you're using the face mask, start off with this first, because that way when you follow up with the face wash, the toner, and the serum, it's going to help if it does end up staining your skin, it's going to help to further remove any turmeric residue that might have been left on your skin from using the face mask. So I'm going to get started with using the face mask. Also wanted to add to preferably not use your fingers to apply this face mask. If you have like a brush or the spoon that you're mixing it in, and also like a small bowl that you can mix it together in, then that just works perfectly fine. So I'm going to get started and add some to my face. I needed a little self-care myself. Ooh. I needed a little skincare myself, so this is good. But yes, you just want to smooth that paste over the face. Good thing I got on the type of shirt that I got on, because I've been messed up. All right, guys, so I've applied the turmeric mask, and essentially this is what it's supposed to look like when it's on the face. As you can see, like, you could tell that it is like yellow and that it's probably going to be like just a little bit staining, but This helps, again, like I said, it's anti-inflammatory, helps with red spots. And you could leave this on the face for about 5 minutes if you have sensitive skin. I honestly wouldn't recommend leaving this on the face for no longer than 10 minutes because it can be so staining. And then that still just gives it time to just do what it needs to do in that amount of time. So yeah, I've had this on my face. You could just let it like harden up a little bit. And then next, I'm gonna actually get into the 3-step regimen with the cleanse, tone, and moisturize. So I'm gonna first start off with the cleanser. If I could, I was about to say if I can get this open. But I'm gonna start off with the cleanser. First, I'm gonna actually just like wipe this off my face in general, and then I'll follow up with the turmeric cleanser and also the Cecil cloth. I did want to mention too, like even when you're using the Cecil cloth, that you don't necessarily have to exfoliate your skin every day. Exfoliation is for one, to begin, the skin on your face is much more sensitive than the skin on your body. So you can exfoliate your body skin every day if you want to, but sometimes it could just be a little too rough for your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. So even though we've provided you with this exfoliating cloth, for the most part, you can use this like every other day, or whenever you feel like your face is like super dirty and can use some extra exfoliation. But other than that, using your hands are perfectly fine, or even using like a gentle cloth on your face in conjunction with the facial cleanser is all that you need for your face in general. But today I'm gonna use the exfoliating pad because especially after using the turmeric mask, you just wanna get that extra cleanse going. And also let me add, do not use a white washcloth to take off the turmeric mask because you will ruin your washcloth. Use something that is a darker color. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've washed all the turmeric mask off of my face. There is still like somewhat of a yellow tint. Of course, if you're, like I said, if you have like brown skin like mine, then it's not super noticeable. It just kind of looks like, just like brown with a slight yellowish tint, but brown just really covers that. So since I've washed my face, it's just good to just have like a nice like damp type of face before you get to washing your face, so that the soap will lather up really well. So I just re-dampened it. Now I'm about to take my cloth, taking my exfoliating little cloth, and gonna squeeze a couple of pumps on there. And just gonna rub my fingers in there just to get it a little bit lathered up and apply that to the face. So like I was saying, the exfoliating cloth is going to help to just get any extra turmeric off of there as well, just to give an extra scrub. There's turmeric in the wash, of course, which gives it that color too. And as you can see here, my pad has like turmeric coloring on it from the color, but this is also washable, but even just washing it will just help to remove some of the staining on there, but it's machine washable too if you ever want to do that. Next up in the steps is to use our tea tree and yarrow toner, which tea tree and yarrow toner, it has apple cider vinegar in there, and toner in general helps to just like tighten the pores, and then it also helps to further cleanse the skin as well. So like anything that the cleanser really kind of missed, this will just come right behind it and help to reinforce that. Guys, so important, please use a cotton ball or a cotton round when you're using the toner. I see people like putting the toner directly on their face or something like that. Use a cotton ball because it's more so cleansing your face, and it's really like just a kind of once over the face before you get ready to add that serum on there. And if you do ever feel like the toner is too strong because of the apple cider vinegar, then feel free to just add like a little bit more water to kind of dilute it a little bit to your cotton ball. add a little bit of water, and that'll just help. But apple cider vinegar is very strong, helps with those dark spots, helps with acne as well. But adding a little bit of water truly just like can lessen the sting that comes with it sometimes. And as you can see, this is yellow, and if you want to, you could just do one more once over. So yes, that helps get further turmeric off. Last but not least, we've made it to the last and final step, which is going to be our facial serum, which is the tea tree and lavender. Oil can also be a cleanser in a sense, but we're using it as a moisturizer, just a couple of drops into the hands or onto the face for some of you prefer. And then just rub that into the skin. This moisturizes the skin. There's also tea tree in this as well, so that's why I say, like, if you have sensitive skin, just be mindful that tea tree is extremely cleansing. So we do put lavender in here as well, but all of the essential oils that I use in the serum are to help with like hyperpigmentation and to help with acne as well, and to help with dark spots. So just follow that up. Skin should be nice and shiny after that. And that is how you use the hyperpigmentation kit. That's how you use any kit that we have with all of those ingredients that come in there. Like I said, be mindful of your skin type, because something like the rose water and aloe toner and the rose water aloe facial wash are more suited for sensitive skin. And then this is going to be more like if you don't necessarily have sensitive skin, you have normal skin. Like I have normal skin. It'll switch up sometimes, or I have combination skin. I do also want to add, guys, this comes in the sensitive or the dry skin kit, but get this. This is our rose water and aloe facial mist. You can even add this, although it does not come with the hyperpigmentation kit. Right before you use your facial serum, you can add this rose water and aloe facial mist, which is something I like to personally do in my regimen every day, just to kind of reintroduce some hydration back into my skin on top of using the serum. So if you have like super dry skin, the serum and the rose water combination together is really, really good. But that's how you use that, and hopefully you guys have good results. Please give the hyperpigmentation kit some time to give good results. You know what they say, Rome wasn't built in a night, or I hope that's how it goes, but just give it some time to just definitely see the results. I feel like to see the results of anything, you literally have to give something at least 30 days, at least 28 to 30 days before you start to see proper results that you would like to see with helping with the hyperpigmentation, or if you're using something for acne, or if you have sensitive skin and you just want to have like good, clear skin, give it some time. And thank you for joining with us today.